Welcome to Englicity, where learning English becomes a lifestyle, not a lesson. Today's video is one of the most practical, powerful, and life-changing episodes we've ever made, because we're not going to study boring grammar, we're going to speak like real people. This video is for anyone who wants to speak English fluently, using the real phrases that people use in real situations. At home, in public, at work, with friends, and everywhere in between. We'll explore over 150 daily use phrases broken into simple categories. So grab a notebook or just listen closely and repeat with me. Section 1. Most common everyday English phrases. These are the phrases used by everyone: beginners, natives, and fluent speakers. These are the must-have building blocks. Good morning. Good night. What's up? Not much. How's it going? I'm fine, thanks. And you? Long time no see. I'm sorry, I didn't catch that. Can you repeat that, please? I don't understand. I got it. I understand. No worries, no problem. That makes sense. Sounds good. Let's do it. I'm not sure about that. I have no idea. Absolutely. Definitely. That's a good point. I agree with you. I don't think so. It's up to you. These phrases are short, but they carry power. If you practice just these, you'll already sound more natural in 90% of conversations. Section 2. Phrases you can use at home. Let's look at real English you can use inside your house, with family, friends, roommates, or even by yourself. Wake up. Time to get ready. Don't be late. Brush your teeth. Have a shower. What's for breakfast? Are you hungry? Let's eat. Clean the table. Wash the dishes. Fold the clothes. Turn off the fan. Open the window. Let's watch something. Don't make a mess. I need some rest. I'm gonna bed. Lights off, please. Sweet dreams. Using English in your personal life every day makes it a part of your life, not just something you're learning. Section 3. Phrases for shopping and daily needs. Whether you're at a shop, a restaurant, or a market, you need practical English. How much is this? Is it on sale? Do you have any offers? I'll take it. That's too expensive. Can I pay by card? I need a receipt. Do you have this in another color? I'm just browsing. Thanks for your help. Can I return this? It doesn't fit. Where's the trial room? Can I get a carry bag? The line is too long. This is my favorite store. Let's grab a coffee. I'm looking for a gift. I'll think about it. With these shopping-related phrases, you'll never feel lost or nervous when going out. Section 4. Phrases for office, school, and work. Let's learn how to sound fluent and professional at the workplace or school. Let's begin. What's our target today? I'm working on it. I'll send it by email. Do you need help with this? I have a question. I didn't get that. Can you explain that again? That's a great idea. We're making good progress. I'm a bit stuck. Let's take a short break. Deadline is approaching. Time's running out. We made it just in time. Let's meet after lunch. It's not working. Please try again. Can I leave early today? Practice these phrases during your daily tasks and you'll sound more capable and more confident. Section 5. Phrases to start, continue, and end conversations. Fluent speakers connect naturally. These phrases help you keep a conversation flowing. Starting. Hi, I'm Name. Nice to meet you. How do you know each other? What do you do? Where are you from? What brings you here? Continuing. That's interesting. Tell me more. Really? Oh, I didn't know that. That reminds me of something. And then what happened? Ending. I should get going. It was nice talking to you. Let's catch up soon. Take care. Bye for now. Have a great day. With just these phrases, you can start, hold, and end any English conversation confidently. Section 6. Expressing feelings and emotions. English becomes alive when you can express what's inside you. I'm happy today. I'm feeling down. That's amazing. I'm excited. I feel nervous. I'm scared. I'm proud of you. That's unbelievable. You made my day. I feel grateful. Don't be sad. Everything will be okay. Take it easy. It's not your fault. Stay strong. I'm here for you. That's so sweet. I didn't expect that. Let's celebrate. Learning these makes your communication more human, emotional, and real. Section 7. Useful helper phrases you can use anytime. These phrases help you in any situation, especially when you feel stuck. Could you please speak slowly? What does that mean? How do you spell that? Can you show me? Let's Google it. What's the right word for this? I'm still learning. Please correct me. I'm trying my best. Practice makes perfect. I'm working on my English. Let's speak in English only. I want to get better. That's a new word for me. Can you write it down? Fluency is not about perfection, it's about progress and courage. Final tips for fluency. Here's how to turn these phrases into natural fluent speech. 1. Choose 5 phrases every day and speak them out loud 10 times. 2. Use them in your real life while cooking, cleaning, walking. 3. Speak with your family or even practice alone in front of a mirror. 4. Watch English movies or shows and write down phrases you hear. 5. Record yourself speaking and listen to improve your pronunciation. Don't try to memorize everything today. Fluency is a journey. Small steps, big progress. You don't need perfect grammar. You need the confidence to speak, the courage to make mistakes, and the commitment to keep practicing. So keep going. Use these phrases. Speak more, listen more, and come back to this video whenever you need a boost. Thank you for watching Englicity. If you love this video, share it with a friend, like and comment your favorite phrase, and don't forget to subscribe for more practical, powerful English content every week. Your fluency is waiting for you. Let's go get it together.